of the recent problems that we've had with presidency is its lack of communication with the people.
Well, I think instead of getting behind that big iron fence around the White House and talking to no one except your advisors, the White House ought to be an open place where exchanges can take place. There's nothing worse than an intellectual without a heart. And it was that crowd that charted our course in Vietnam. It wasn't these hard hats out here on the job that get blamed for it. What is the credibility gap except a conclusion on the part of millions of Americans that these old voices in politics can't be trusted anymore? I think it's going to take a new kind of leadership that's compassionate and just to restore some measure of public confidence.
McGovern, for the people. The people are paying for this campaign with their hard-earned dollars. Send what you can to McGovern for President, Washington, D.C.